In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create thumbnails. So the platform that we're going to use is Novoads AI, and the link is going to be in the comment section. Here, you need to go to the image section, and we are going to use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that as well is going to be in the comment section. And here, where it says title, we're going to write the title of our video. For example, documentary of the trajectory of Mr. Beast, for example. And now here, where it says text, we need to write the text that will appear in the thumbnail. So let's put the best YouTuber, for example. And in reference image, we can upload an image of Mr. Beast, for example, but I don't want. So I'm going to erase this. And now we have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the result. And as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are really good. They look professional. So if you want to use AI to create thumbnails or to create images and videos, I want to tell you that this platform have an offer for the new users that you can try it for just $1. So I recommend you to use it. And well, see you in the next video.